Now let us welcome a most honorable man. Came from India through Boston with his own special plan. He knows life is boundless. You can learn this at his classes. He's often metaphysical and he wears them groovy glasses. He's toured the world over and sold millions of books on God, love, and success, but he gets by on his good looks and his essential nature. Well, it seems to me a ceaseless flowing interpretation on the fabric of reality. And now he lives and works right here in California. He's got a lovely place and a boyish face. He's got a wellness center right here in California, where you can hear him teach, not far from the beach. He gave up drinking and smoking, and then went to Gold's Gym. I think many pretty people there, including Arnold, had envy of him. He can talk straight for hours about life's mystery. He possesses superpowers to walk the field of energy. He digs Krishnamurti and Rumi. He's palled with Michael Jackson. He's acquainted with life after death and quantum attraction. His life's beyond illusion. He knows profound truth. He's an expert on endocrines. They might be his fountain of youth. So let's welcome him to speak in California at the Ritz Hotel, where it's all quite well. No coincidence that we're here in California. Someone's dream, I guess. Now it's manifest. He used to do meditation for hours and hours on end. Transformed his consciousness, and now he's a Twitter trend. He can find the true meaning in the smallest of events. So I'll turn it over to Dr. Chopra to give you his 2 cents.